everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the randomness on this channel. I haven't decided what to do with this channel. I haven't decided what kind of content I want on this channel, so that's why I have been experimenting with a lot of content, as you know. I haven't actually done this. I want to start off, with a weekly vlog at this moment in time. I was actually planning to do it next year, but there was no reason for me to wait that long, to start this video or this project. I'm doing this new content. So, we're not trying to be perfect out here. I don't want to sort of take too long to edit these videos, nor do I want to put out some perfect content out there. I just want to record my daily things I do, my daily life, and just be cool with it. I don't want to take this too serious, and I know I'm gonna take it too serious sometimes, so that's why I don't want to think about it too much. So please follow me, subscribe. You know how things go usually, with people. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of any of the fun. Yeah. So yeah, really, there's a lot of fun to look toward to. I'm trying to get as much weekly vlogs in as I can, so have fun.
way gabadhaan ku weynayn aslub lagu gardaajiyo raalliyo ninkeed garan quruxduna u gaar tahay gurwacan ku joogtay gurkiinu gurkhay gurigiina gurinagi gurkiinu gurkhay gurigiina gurinagi gurinagi gulokayeel gurkiinu gurkhay gurigiina gurinagi gurkiinu gurkhay gurigiina gurinagi.
On a side note, journaling and reading have been absolute game changer in my life. Journaling feels like having a secret conversation with myself, to be honestly, a safe space to untangle thoughts and dreams. It's my personal time capsule, actually, you could say that. Capturing moments and emotions I might otherwise forget, and I've been going through my journals way back high school and middle school. Funny, and it's just reading these, the little me, the little girl I was, new to this world. It's such a heartwarming, and it's, whenever I have conversation with people about like journaling, I always tell them it's always a good idea to journal, because you won't be remembering who you were, but through those books, it brings back memories, I know a lot of people don't want to go back in time or ever remember if they had bad experience or such, but yeah, another thing I really like is reading, it's like, to be honestly, into stepping into a whole new universe, experiencing countless lives and adventures without leaving my cozy little corner. It's so nice. Both of them are honestly such a nourishment for my mind and soul, making each day a little richer and more exciting. One of my quotes, actually, I really love in my old, I found this back in high school. I wrote this back in high school. It's actually it's in one of my journals, and it says, one of the most tragic things I know about human nature is that all of us tend to put off living. We are all dreaming of some magical rose garden over the horizon, and instead of engaging with roses blooming outside our windows today. And I think this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do weekly vlogs, because I feel like if I record or sort of make a video of all the little moments in life weekly, I might actually, this might be some journaling for me, instead of writing on it. I will go back and watch these videos and say, you know what? I remember that day. I remember what we did, So yeah, I'm glad you guys are watching this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and share with your friends and family and everybody. So yeah, have fun.
qurux iyo ilwaan akhlaaq iyo sharaf la dhaho hablaha eegiyo qarniga adduunka wada qiro.
We know the history, we know the background of the occupation, of the blockade. Which we'll get into. On the other hand, it was very surprising to us to hear
awlaad khayr qaba dhalo tiliyo aamin ku dega ayaan iyo hooda iyo waxaa aad oranaseen awlaadan hooyo tidhi ninkay aabbow dhahaan agtaadana farax ku nool ayaan iyo hooda iyo waxaa aad oranaseen awlaadan hooyo tidhi ninkay aabbow dhahaan agtaadana farax ku nool yartii lagu ababshay ceeloga adeen lagu korshaay waxa ammaan kugu filan ugaasya inay dhaleen ubixii qorraxaynaa tahay yartii lagu ababshay ceeloga adeen